Hi guys, welcome to the video review about the Prime Biome. For those who don't know me, and today we're going to talk a little bit about this supplement. It's new on the market and there are already lots of people getting amazing results with that. So I'm here today to clarify some questions you may have about it, but also share with you an important alert. So stick until the end. But I already left the link for the official website below in the description of my video in case you need it after watching this, okay? Well, guys, many people don't understand why there are so many supplements claiming to help your gut and skin at the same time. That's because, the nutrients, the vitamins, the cells that work in both are the same. But what many products out there don't do is be effective, right? So sometimes you're tired of seeing lots of different products out there that promises to take care of our gut or of your skin, and none of them gives you the results you've been looking for. But the Prime Biome is different, guys. First of all, the coffee is completely natural. It is made only with organic ingredients like vitamins, essential nutrients, minerals, proteins, all right? Just natural ingredients that together they will work in both the skin and gut because like I said, the cells that are responsible for giving health to both skin and gut are the same cells. And the essential nutrients and vitamins, nutrients, and antioxidants that are inside of this Prime Biome will work directly in these cells, okay? It will make like a skin cell turnovers that will rejuvenate your skin by replacing old cells by new cells, guys. This process is important to maintain in order to support your healthy aging, optimal gut health, and for the appearance of healthy, useful skin. So if you have been struggling with your gut health, but you also think that your skin may improve, this supplement is perfect for you. And let's remember that it's a treatment that will go from inside out. We know that all the best treatments are like this from the inside out, so it's way better than creams, lotions, and everything you have been seeing on the internet. Just be committed to the treatment and use it every single day to see this result back. I recommend you to do the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective result you've been looking for. I have just one alert to share with you, like I said in the beginning of this video, which is where you're going to buy it, because there are a lot of fake products being sold out there. So to guarantee you're getting the original one, buy it only from the official website. That's why I left you the link below in the description box of my videos. This is the only place you can get it from, okay, guys? Different information I wanted to share with you folks about the Prime Biome. So this supplement is perfect, guys, for your gut health, for your skin, okay? So you can take care of both using just one formula and also in your overall health. So go to the official website and get yours.